So we're in Busan subway. First attempt, no, sa amin. So, riding a subway here. And subway here in Korea is even way better than yung sa Europe, except siguro sa Vienna. We're into the boarding station na. Here. Saan tayo papunta, kuya? Bound, ha? Atin?
Sento.
Sento, ilang station?
25.
Layo ah.
14 pala.
Akit tayo dito, hindi pa?
When they leave. When they leave, we go in.